Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Ethereum, we are trading at $1,218. 24-hour volume, we're up 2.97%, and market cap, we're up 4%. Heading over to our daily chart here, we have an engulfing candlestick so long as today does close in like this. And if we are able to close as an engulfing candlestick previous to yesterday's action, then we are most likely going to cross and close above our 20 moving average in hopes to get into the next retracement level here at 38% of our fib, which is at 1245. Now, if I zoom out again, we are going to take a look at some profile volume supply and demand zone. We can see again, here is the outskirts of our resistance line at $1,233. So even though if we are able to close above the 20 MA, we may see some resistance line already at this point here. Again, we can see closely at November 18th and November 19th. This is where the price declined after shortly being rejected at this point. Now, a few factors here on our daily time frame of our RSI is simply the RSI number has created a sell opportunity a few days ago. So here on November 27th, just 2 days ago, triggered a selling opportunity as we see the K line go beyond and below our D line itself as well. So here is going to be the critical point. If we're able to have our K line over exceed and cross above our D line itself, then we are going to have a trigger a buying opportunity, and pairing it off with our MACD indicator, it does look pretty steady here for the momentum. So we may see that rejection. And again, if we do close above it, here's our next course of action at 38% of our fib. Now, closely looking at a shorter time frame, which is our 2 hours, compared to yesterday's video, we have actually crossed over and closed above the 20 moving average here. Now, we can see the Bollinger Band, which is this blue line here, is expanding very, very aggressively. And this basically means that it's a higher volatility. Price is going to move fairly quickly here, and we've already seen that as we are progressing in this uptrend. Now, I'm going to quickly go into high Kanashi candlesticks so we can be able to see the current trend itself. We can see these green candles showing us the current trend as the MACD indicator was growing. We see this cross over the selling opportunity as the price fell and the momentum's falling as well. So here we can see the RSI triggered a buying opportunity at a very critical point. However, the MACD indicator is slowing down with these bars itself getting lighter in the color, but most importantly, the bars size is getting smaller and smaller. So this may be the only point that we may get for Ethereum, and then we may see the price come back down and retest an area of support. Notice already here at these lines, it is creating already a resistance or testing a resistance already here on November 25th and 26th as well. But if we toggle over to the left-hand side and we actually grab this line as a resistance line, it's testing the area back in November 17th and November 19th. So the price itself may only hit this critical point, and then the price may come back down. So if we expand our fib chart itself, we're able to see areas of support that we are going to be testing if we see a rejection at this resistance line. And already we can see at 38% at 1203 was a good area of support. I'm going to switch it over to the candlesticks. And if we take a look at some of our candlesticks here as well, we can see that the range hits our resistance line. However, the bodies are at the very bottom here. So we're seeing a lot of selling pressure as the price is advancing. And as we're getting the price advancing, we want to double check if the volume is matching as well. If the volume is not increasing as the price is increasing, the volume's not supported by the actual price action. So most likely we want to be looking for shorter trades opposed to longer trades, in my own opinion. And if we take a look so far in the candlestick, it is heavy selling pressure. And if we do end in this candlestick in particular, then it is going to result in a shooting star candlestick where the the wick at the very top is twice the size of the body. And the body is mainly at the bottom, either no wick at the bottom or a small little wick. And this is a reversal bearish sign. So be very cautious if we are looking for opportunities at this critical point. So That's just my update here for Ethereum. Definitely let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Like and subscribe to the channel as well, but I will see you next time.